Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, I'm Chantel. It's so nice to meet you. So it's been a while. I haven't done a YouTube video, like sat down and filmed, in a very long time. I think it's been a month. It's crazy. It's honestly nuts. Time this year has just flown by. I mean, having 3 jobs doesn't help. It's crazy. My life is crazy. But anyway, I have got some spare time, so I thought I would sit down and film a little makeup look. So today I'm going to be using the Ciate Glitter Storm palette. As you can see, it is so beautiful. Like, the packaging is just so freaking cool. I love it. I'm going to be doing like a formal kind of look today, because it's formal season at the moment, and yeah, I'm feeling a glam look today. I think I want to play with these kind of purple dark brown shades, and these glitters look absolutely stunning as well, so I will definitely be playing with some of these. I've already done my base and brows and everything ready to go. I just want to quickly mention a product. I have been using this now for a couple of weeks, and holy moly, this little guy is honestly magic in a jar, I'm telling you. Oh, I just so good. Okay, so I watched Tati and she raves on about this primer, and I thought I'd have to give it a go. It is the Tarte Timeless Smoothing Primer. Now, I never really believed in primers. I've bought so many in the past and I feel like they don't really do anything. Like, who else can agree with that? Like, there's so many out there and I just feel like they don't really do anything. But this, you guys, this is like my holy grail now. I've been constantly using it and it's so good. Honestly, like, you can't even see any of my pores where I've put it. I just put it on my T-zone area and holy crap, it is so good. I used it on one of my clients. She had really oily skin and it honestly just blurred everything out, and oh, it just makes you look like a doll. It's perfection, and I thought I just had to mention it because it is so good, and I'll be using this forever. So anyway, let's just get into the video. So first I'm going to take Whirlwind, which is like the creamy brown in the palette, and I'm just going to put that all over my lid. I haven't done a glam look in such a long time, you guys. Like, I've missed just sitting down and doing makeup, honestly. It's just crazy, and like, this time of year for me is so busy as well because like formals and graduations and stuff, like, oh, it's full on. But yeah, I've just missed filming, so I'm so happy that I can just sit here for a couple of hours and play with some makeup. And now I'm going to take Comet, which is like a really nice, I would say it's like a mauvey purpley brown shade. There's quite a lot of kickback in this palette, so just be aware of that. I'm just going to run this through my crease. Ooh, this is a really pretty color. Ooh, I like this color a lot. How pretty would this shade be just all over the lid? You could just call it a day. It's blending out really nicely. And now I'm going to take a little bit of Jupiter and Stargaze, so two of the darker shades in this palette, and I'm just going to put it on the outer edge first. You guys, okay, so I said I wasn't gonna get TikTok, but I did, and I am actually addicted. Like, I legit sat down for like 2 hours watching people, and it's just so funny. Like, I'll just be in tears laughing, and I think I might join in on the fun. What do you guys reckon? Do you guys have TikTok? Let me know. So I'm basically just going back and forth with this, getting the darker shade and then getting the lighter shade, so just make sure everything is just blending out and it's all seamless. Okay, so I didn't really cut the crease, I just put a little bit of my NYX pigment primer and I just roughly kind of cut the crease, but I'm not like making it precise or anything. I want this to be like a really simple look that anyone can do. And then I just take another flat synthetic brush and I go into Pandora and Strike, just those two shades. These glitters are so pretty. Like, they're honestly so pretty. Don't even know if the camera is picking it up, but it's really stunning. Beautiful reflex in the glitter. And then I'm just gonna grab my finger and just dab it in place. But like, that pigment primer is so good, you guys, because I have no fallout at all. So if you want to use glitter and you're scared to use it, definitely recommend the pigment primer. That looks so pretty. Okay, I am obsessed with that. That is so nice. So I'm just going to put some liner and some lashes on, and this is also a new like holy grail of mine. It is the NYX matte liquid liner. This stuff is so good if you're after a really good liner that's like pigmented, really black, lasts all day. This is so good. I'm obsessed with it. And then for lashes, I'm just going to use one of my favorites. This style is so pretty. You can't really see them because my nails are in the way, but they are the Drama lashes from Holy Grail Cosmetics. I've used these, no joke, about, I'm gonna say like 10 times, and they're still amazing. So you really get your money's worth with these lashes because they're really good quality. Okay, I'm back. A lot has changed. So lashes and liner are on, and while the glue is drying, I just did my lips, and I used the, what shade is this? Shot Clock Colourpop lip pencil, and then I used the NARS Bound matte lipstick, and then in the center I just put this Morphe lip gloss Freebird, and it's just like a really beautiful nude lip. And now I'm just going to do the bottom lash line and also add some highlight in my inner corners. So for my face, I use the Maleficent and Colourpop Villain Super Shock highlighter. So I'm just going to put that in the inner corner. Then we are going the lash line, and I'm going to basically do like the exact same thing on the bottom, except I do the opposite. So I do like darker first and then I blend it with a lighter shade. So going in with Stargazer and Jupiter. And then I'm going to go into Jupiter and Comet. And I'm just going to basically blend that all out. Now you could add eyeliner as well if you wish, but for me, I'm not going to do that today. And I just kind of want to put a touch of glitter as well down the bottom. But I'm going to take a bit of Firestorm, which is the glitter, this one, the pinky one that I haven't used. I'm just kind of putting that on like the inner corner. Now you don't have to do this is just me because I like to be a little bit extra with things. And we are done, boys and girls. Also, another Holy Grail product. I feel like I should just make this video like Holy Grails, but this is the Morphe Setting Mist. Best setting spray ever in the world, honestly. Like, oh, so good. Honestly amazing. I think I've gone through like nearly a whole bottle in like a few weeks. But anyway guys, this is the final finished look. I really love how this turned out, and I think it is perfect for formal wedding events, anything really. And you could even make this even more glam by adding like really smoking out that winged liner, like putting some black shadow from like another palette, and you could also put like black liner in your waterline. But I honestly love this so much. I love like this cool toned purple look, and the glitter is so bomb. I'm obsessed with this palette, so freaking good, and everything blended out amazingly. But yeah, if you guys want to see any looks in particular that you want me to do, I also want to do another video with the Morphe Jeffree Star palette, because there are some really pretty shades in here too that I want to play around with. I like all these hot pinks and stuff, so let me know in the comments. But yeah, I'll put all the products that I've used in the description box if you guys want to know anything. And yeah, thank you so much for watching guys, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.